doing my nightly rounds in the campground, and I stopped to check on my honeybees. I've got a group of honeybees. Let's see if my flash will do it. Yeah, I got a group of honeybees in a natural hive here in the park, so of course I'm trying to take care of them because honeybees are having a little bit of trouble right now, especially ones that are in farms and stuff. So it's always good to see a wild hive trying to make it. And it actually looks like they're getting ready to swarm, which makes me really happy because that means that hopefully they won't go far and they will establish another hive somewhere in the park. But what I think is really cool is if you look real close, they are exhibiting a behavior called linking. And if you look, they are actually linking together up inside the hive, almost like a bridge. One of the biggest parts of a park ranger's job is to observe all of your resources, all of the animals and plants in your park, and make sure they're healthy and make sure that you've got good natural environmental interactions going on, and taking note of anything really special. Look at that, isn't that cool? I also saw something that I've not identified yet. Some kind of shelf fungus. I'll have to get in my guide and identify. But look how cool that is. Some kind of shelf fungus. Shelf as in S-H-E-L-F. Shelf fungus. That looks like, the drippings of this I must have set in a fire ant pile because I've been eaten alive. Oh well, it's worth it. But look at that. Look at the extrusions coming out of the bottom. Now in plants, that usually happens when too much water is in the plant and the natural turgor pressure from the outside pressure changing, allowing the pressure inside the plant to push water out. On fungi like this, I'm not 100% sure, but that's one of the fun things about being a park ranger, is when we see something that we don't really know, then we have perfect reasons, perfect excuses to do a little research and field guides and find out. Even more ants. No wonder I'm getting stung. Oh well. Part of the job. There's another huge one right here that I think is super cool. This tree fell down in a storm a while back, but this fungi, while eating the tree and helping it to decompose, as fungi do, it is also providing food for tons of other critters. You see that larva of some kind there, and I think I saw a wood roach running along through there. Super cool. And then you can see this fella here. If you look every now and then, you'll see little bits of dust falling down, that's because it's chewing into the wood. Carpenter ant, this thing is full of them. A couple other beetles. Dead trees are one of the most important habitats for animals in all of nature. They're like a huge condo complex for bugs, arachnids, small mammals, almost anything, and all the way down to fungi and other plants. So just know that next time you go to burn down or burn up a tree that's fallen, if it's not in the way, maybe keep it there, because it's definitely serving a purpose. Alright, y'all have a good night. If y'all enjoy this kind of stuff, make sure to like and subscribe and leave me a comment about some stuff that you might like to see out here in the woods of Arkansas while I make my rounds, or any questions about Morro Bay State Park, or any Arkansas State Park for that matter. Alright, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.